Use your hand to get it. You cheater. You're a cheater. That's cheating. He's like, Grandpa, shit it. Alright, this one you gotta use your hand, right, buddy?
Yeah, okay, let's get that happen.
You know that one yet?
You eat it all?
Oh, there's another one. You use your hand, right?
Logan.
Cheater.
No.
Put it in your hand, Logan. Pick it up. No, put it in your mouth.
Doesn't speak well.
Oh.
Logan.
He's like, well, when I pick it up, I drop it. What do you want?
Eat it back. Put it in your mouth. And it's on the side.
Ah, there it goes.
That's right, I got no.
Ah. Ah. Oh. No.
Your brother.
No, probably a bill collector.
Don't take
Ha 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 ha. Let him have it. He keeps dropping it.
Logan.
Oh, oh.
Alright.
They get it?
Taking it in.
Hey, good job, buddy. He's like, what'd I do? What'd I do? What buddies? Huh.
This is a magnificent sculpture. You're doing that to yourself.
Good job, buddy.
One more, and then that's all. Hey, Drew, get out of here.
Well,
Nope, you gotta take it in your hand. Nope, take it in your hand. No, you gotta take it out of my fingers. No.
come on.
No?
Take it in. Still in his hand.
No, it's
No, it's on his hand.
Damn, he's good at like palming that shit.
It is. He likes those things.
I know he hasn't spent every time Barney wanted to release his calls to his tubes.
Nah.
Joe will have to evaluate his time.
Oh, okay. I'll just put it in your mouth.
We'll see what happens.
There you go.
He's definitely
Thanks, ma'am.
No more nuts.
Good job, buddy.
Good baby. You good baby.
The main piece of the sculpture is not big on sculpture itself. It's a modern sculpture of ballerina dancer. And in the background, there's a chocolate piece that is representing the night sky, the stars, and planets.
exactly as we planned.
I could get passionate about creating something.
He's trying to make them all come out.
Passionate.